Good morning, Bohol! Today is our third day here in Bohol. Driving downtown with a girl I love. And our itinerary for today will be chasing waterfalls. I hope these waterfalls that we have listed in our itinerary are open for tourists. I have put the itinerary in the description box below so you can check it out. And at the end of the oh my god, my hair. We will go to Danao Adventure Park and hopefully the weather is good so that we can try their rides. Good morning, bestie. Let's go eat our breakfast. Okay guys, so we will be leaving this accommodation. Stayed here for 2 nights, so we'll be leaving because we will be transferring because we decided to extend here in Bohol for a day. But before we take our graceful exit, I will show you our room though. Let's give you a quick room tour. So this is our view every morning. A very, foresty look. So it's very quiet in here every night, good for ending the day. And this is our room, and that's my best friend preparing for our trip this morning. And as you can see, I haven't done anything yet. This is our bed, very messy, I'm so sorry. This is our cabinet with a safety box over there, very messy, I'm sorry. We have a table here, a side table, 2 side tables, and then a lamp, queen size bed, a fridge, and our bathroom. Of course, the best part is that they have a hot and cold shower plus a bidet. That's it. And 1 ice water. Hi, Kuya RJ. Hi.
Hi.
Kuya. I just finished a quick shoot at Ingkumhan Falls.
Sayang lang kasi hindi pa siya restored after Odette.
But yeah, I guess this was once a very wonderful falls. According to Kuya RJ.
Sharon, made in Philippines. From Philippines. RJAY
There is no entrance fee here in Ingkumhan Falls as of the moment. Thanks, Kuya Ryan. Sinabayan niya ako sa photo shoot, chareng. Ingkumhan Falls is located in Dimiao Bohol. You can go look it up in Google Maps. We reached here because of Google Maps. Next time, hopefully, we will come back here in Ingkumhan. And it will be better, functional. A lot of tourists. Ayan, kami lang tourist.
Nya, feel mo friends patana.
Mura. Basta niya, married na ka. This is how native Filipinos' comfort rooms look like. So, papunta kami ng Pahangog Falls. And my driver is very stressed right now. Look at that. But very pretty.
Hey, singot kay ko.
Stressed, depressed, but pretty. We reached our first waterfall via Google Maps. So right now, wala munang Google Maps. We are following our tour guide. That's Kuya RJ, the driver, and Kuya Ryan. Wow. Look at the road. Very narrow road we're passing. Ayan, that's only one way. So sasakyan lang yung pwedeng makapasok. On the way to Pahangog Falls. Hi again. Hi, how was it?
Nice, very nice.
Better than there?
Yes, your swimsuit
Yeah.
under.
Yeah. You didn't swim?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Take care. Go. Go, 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 go. Water mo na, water. Go, 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 go. Bago pagid niya, no? Kaning semento. You can hear the falls already. Can you hear it?
Can hear it.
Agi me. Pahaway sa, pahaway.
Paway, paway.
Huh. Yes! Lovely! Finally! After almost 30 minutes, but no, 20. 15?
More or less.
Yeah, more or less 20 minutes of trekking. We finally arrived here at Pahangog Falls. Look at that. So just to remind you, we are still here at Bohol. Okay, we are still here at Bohol. And look at this marvelous falls. We are here right now at Pahangog Falls. And there's my best friend right there. Here you go, bestie! Oh my god! Welcome to Bohol!
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you.
Maninindot kanang bisag asa iit sa untol ba, bisag asa ibutang maniho ra gyud. Alright guys, so we're going to Danao Adventure Park and that's Kuya RJ and Ryan leading us the way. So we're supposed to go to Kandihay Falls but it's already 2:30 p.m. We're kinda behind schedule right now. And according to Kuya RJ, Kandihay Falls is not open to public yet. So we just decided to go directly to Danao Adventure Park. Someone please sing this lovesick melody. Caught you in the arms of another. I've been dying every day since. Kita na ko ani sa lidaha ay kana magsunod og mga inani ba. Unsa ka man ni sa lidaha be? Comment down below. Kanang nagsunod kag inani nga mga sakyanan kananay mga tubo. Okay, so it's 4:30 as of the moment. We got here very late, but we are going to try the plunge here at the Adventure Park, Danao Adventure Park. So there's no time to be afraid. Igtaod sa mga gears, bulayat na meditso. Ay, may hapon sa tanan. Okay, so diha mo layat.
One more?
Wala ko gamahay nga ni dayon ko pero no more.
No more.
No more. Maybe next time.
Let's go. It's my turn. She's done. Nalagi pool.
Nako instruction mo gamay ha.
Sige po.
Ayaw ba yan kung ordinary pang tao.
Sige, sige.
Ay mo sa kamot abi. Ay gunit ko gusto. Kanang usa nimo ka kamot kanang tuo. Mag straight lang kanunay ha.
Tuo kani?
Hungkod ato bang
Lingkod. Di man ko kalingkod. Okay.
engine set ma'am.
Okay.
Straight lang kanunay ang kamot mo na. Ayaw ihampak ani nag-pre-pull ha.
Okay.
Straight lang kanunay. Okay, unang-una kanang patpon mo ikaw. Pag down ha.
Unsa kuya?
Kanang patpon pag down.
Okay, sige go.
Nakadaon na ka 2 to 3 meters. Kaya pa ko pagkuhan bang suwit. Buhian mo ron.
Ha?
Buhianin ako.
Okay.
Free fall din swing.
Okay.
Pag nag-swing na pwede mo dupak pag kaya.
Okay.
So pag dili pwede gunit lang.
Okay.
Hulog din ako ha. Nagbalik din mo sa
Balik na ko sa.
Ngarit ka dong.
Okay.
2 to 3 to 5 meters ako nagdungin.
Iniguman na ako dito.
Oo. Nagbalik nimo ikabit ani.
Igbalik. Okay, kabit na ko dire. Sige.
Sige.
Oh my God. Okay. 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 Okay.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
3, 2, 1, Bansuet!
Oh my God!
3, 2, 1, Bansuet!
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Grabe. We must try, guys. Must try. Stressful, pero must try. Let's go. Nice one. Look at the view. The view is good. So, right now, pasakan ako. Pero, nagantos chukos kong bilat day. Lugay kay kumabot, bes. Oh. So, there, ato ko pati. Just going home na. Bye. Wow, one try. Okay. Touch chair. Ah! Whoop!
Hop ya.
Okay. Ay! Ay, thank you so much, Lord. Bayot.
Thank you, Lord.
Yes, we did it. We did it. Nakuyupan kay kong taman pag nakakagtaga.
No, Pino, kanang muna oh my God, my life. Kana masika ka na sa hangin ba?
Dugay, yagananta ko magkapakapa niya ka nagunit lang ko.
Padong diri ba?
Pagdili mo email ad ma'am kaya para ito certificate.
Certificate?
Dadaro sa email para bilhin nato karang email ni pangan.
Wow, amazing. Sige, sige. Yay! We will get a certificate after that freaking free fall with the plunge. Woo!
finished. We are here right now at Bohol Bee Farm and we are waiting for our dinner. And while waiting, they gave us a complimentary food. We got squash bread, honey, and malunggay something.
Okay na po, ma'am.
Thank you so much. This is what we have for dinner. Sinigang, salmon, and a baked scallops. Another night with this pretty lady. They will accept tourists up until 8:30 only. They will open at, I don't know. Yeah, they will open at around I think 9. If you come here on a daytime, you will see there's a beach over there. Yeah, and I hope I can see that too. But no, I think I won't be able to see it because tomorrow we'll be going home na. Yeah, after almost 5 hours on the road, we deserve an ice cream. So we got this for 80 pesos, one scoop for 80 pesos. I got dragon fruit and Don got avocado. So you can actually choose where to put your ice cream, whether in a cone or in a bowl or in a cup, plastic cup. So I chose just the bowl. It's delicious. The texture is different from the ordinary ice cream. Yeah. Actually, I've been here in Bohol Bee Farm way back, I don't know, 2015, 2014. And exactly at this corner right here, I have a picture. So, I will do it again. That's our room. It only cost 1,584 for this one. And if you want to know more about their room rates, you can check their Facebook account. You can message them there. And they're also available in Agoda, Booking.com, and others. For now, enjoy the night view of Glamping Alona. That is the restaurant. The bar is open until 10 p.m. The pool is open until 9:30 p.m. so you can go swim with your friends. And these are their rooms. Lovely lighting at night. I'm gonna show you tomorrow how it looks like on a daytime. So this is our room. And so this is our bed as you enter, and that's my best friend over there, very tired for the whole day of driving. She's our main driver, by the way. And we got a side table here, an electric fan if you don't want to use the air conditioner. So they also have an air conditioner. And we have here a cute setup, shelves. And this is actually a glass door. You cannot be seen outside, no, of course. And we have this very cute greetings. Glamping Alona Resort and Restaurant. Welcome Glampers, Dawn, Maribel Rabor, and friends. So the friends, that's me. Okay. I will try to get inside into one of these huts. I mean, it's not yet finished yet. Probably this has been repaired due to the Bagyo Odette. So this is the one that you will see when you enter it. It's a huge space. I think there will be beds here. And then when you get further, look up. There's a high ceiling. And here is a loft. More rooms for your friends. There's a loft. So probably they will be putting a ladder over here. So again, those are common comfort rooms. That's our rooms. That's their showers. Got off the pool. Now I'm gonna show you the shower. So this is their shower just right next to the common CR and the restaurant. Look at that. So wala lang. This is what they call the entertainment area. You can do movies there. Billiard is for free. These are the guests having breakfast. We paid 1,600 for this room, the archery type room. How to get here? I suggest you use Google Maps, but sadly, Google Maps is not accurate. It will not be bringing you to the exact location. So, if ever that happens, you try to search for Bohol Sunside. That's just beside Roberta's apartment, and then there's a sign that says Glamping Alona this way. So you just follow that yellow brick road. Now there is a free parking just outside the gate of Glamping Alona. Okay, so that's it for our Bohol trip. We stayed here for 4 days and 3 nights. The whole trip just cost us around 9,000 pesos. But that would depend on to the food. How much will you spend for the food? So 9,000 pesos covers rentals, car rentals, motor rentals, entrance fees, gasoline, fare, the rides, no, the plunge. The plunge in Adventure Park, the tips for our tour guides, pasalubong. Now, if you're asking me what if you don't know how to drive motorcycle or a car, there are tricycles available, motorcycles. Now, you can also avail tour packages in Bohol. There are a lot of tour packages that you can find in Facebook, most especially. Just go on, search Bohol tour packages, countryside Bohol packages. And then let me just remind you, this vlog is a DIY tour. For this trip, we haven't tried island hopping because, you know, I've always been at the beach. So hopefully, by the next time I come here, I can go to the different islands for an island hopping trip and to explore more of the waterfalls that can be found here in Bohol, and also free diving. We will try free diving and I will also let you guys see it. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you have questions, please leave it on the comment section below and I will try to answer that one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, please follow me on my social media accounts. Facebook, that's mgflores.yt, Instagram at one and only mg, and also in TikTok. And also follow my best friend's Instagram account, that is Don D_. I'm just gonna put the link in the description box below and just anywhere right here. Thank you so much all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Mwah!